This video, I want to go and talk to you about the Hyperliquid Airdrop Season 2, how you are able to go and earn it, because the Season 1 airdrop was the best airdrop in history. So do not miss the Season 2, please. And with that said, subscribe if you're new, turn the notification bell on, leave a like, and let's go and jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, the link is down below. As we see here, you have the possibility to enter with the referral. Come and join my community. 12 people already came in, and you do get a discount, as we see over here, to be able to go and once you participate with the referral code. So if you wish, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. And first thing first, what do we need to do about this area? Well, you come here. It is on the Arbitrum chain. So make sure you have funds in your Arbitrum chain over on MetaMask. And from here, you are able to go and deposit it. You can deposit USDC, USDT, or USDCE. So it's all on a stable coin, and that it is. Once you decide the amount, you simply go and deposit, and you will have it here in your wallet. Now, how do you earn points? Because this airdrop goes in points system, as we do know, as we've seen also from the airdrop season 1, it goes with a point system. Well, there's different ways for you to go and earn points, and we will go and see them all in this video, but there is not a specific way. So the first thing that the team has talked about is the calculation of point happens in a variety of ways, which they didn't disclose it, and which is why the airdrop and the team behind it had a huge success, because the people utilizing this platform are real users. So let's go and see the different ways. If you are, this is perpetual trading or spot trading. So you can see over here, if you click over on a link, you can go through the spot to the perpetual, and the points are accumulated 1 week in a way, another week in another way. They are given out once a week on a Friday. And for example, this week, it could be that by trading perpetual, you will earn points. Or it could be that simply trading spot, you can earn points, or double the way. So doing both of them can earn you points. It is a very users exchange. So you have to be part of it. And as you see over here, it is also important, as we see from my portfolio, don't take care of my profit and loss. Yes, I'm $155 a lot. I'm not the best trader out there, but I'm still trying sometimes. I do not read graphs like you see some fake gurus online. I just try to outperform the market. Most time I fails, but hey, it's part of the game. The situation is the situation. But the important thing is volume. So the generation of volume, I got $100,000 in volume over here. And you can see also from my community, they got 88,000, 19,000. It's very important to go and create volume in this airdrop. And one way to create volume is to open position, close position, earn, lose. So the volume is, for example, here, I do have $9.26. But let's say I go over on Bitcoin over here, and I want it to be a 50x long. As you see here, it is no longer a $9 volume. It is a $463 volume. So you do see that the volume counts a little bit, yes and no. So for example, we place the order and we are good to go. So I open my long position with a 50x over on Bitcoin. I've done this with a $9 total, as we see over here. $9 margin, liquidation price 94.5. I can put stop losses, take price, let's say at 100,000, and we are good to go. If it reaches 100,000, then I will go and sell and I will make 21 bucks. Okay, I put the stop loss and the order over here and we're good to go. So this is one way. Then the other way is also to go over on the spot trading, which it's easier. Spot trading is like, for example, with their token, also holding their token could give you points. This is one way. This is the official token of the platform. Spot trading is simply you buy, you hold long-term, short-term, whatever you want, but you have no leverage on it, which is the safest option to go and do. For example, if you got Ethereum long-term, you can have it over here, or simply want hype. You can have all of these points, all of these coins long-term, and they are implementing more and more soon. The other way to go and earn points is by the bots. Now, when it came to the season 1, I've talked to over on the Discord, which I will try to leave you the Discord channel down below as well for the Hyperliquid Discord server. I did deposit, as we see over here, I have a $13 deposit. There is a 19% APR as based on the last month return. But as far as I've seen from the community over on Discord, they said that the Hyperliquid provider here, the board, does not give you point or did not give you point for the season 1. It could give you points for the season 2, and this is again in stable coins. So if you got stable coins, it is a great place to put it. Absolutely, yes, you get a 90% APR. As you see here, I got 2 cents, but it's no big deal. But let's say you got 1,000, 2,000, 10,000. It is a great place to go and grab your money. Now, to go and unlock it, so to withdraw them, you can do it anytime, absolutely yes. But there is a 4-day lockup period. Now your token will not be touching these 4 days, but you will not have them today. If you're doing it today, on Tuesday, you will get them over on Friday or Saturday. So that is how it works. But these are the trading over on perpetual, spots. You got the DEX only, pre-launch, AI. You can do all of these categories and go and experiment a little bit here and there. Layer 1, Layer 2, perpetual, spot, vaults as well. This is how you're able to go and earn points. And also by joining down through the link down below, you will get a discounted fees over as part of the community. So thank you very much if you do. I really, really appreciate it. And then every Friday over here, points are distributed on a Friday. You will receive your points and you will scale through the leagues and you will earn points, which could potentially lead up to the Season 2 airdrop. Following up, there is the Hyperlane airdrop, which we have talked, and there is this quest over here, which I will leave you the link down below. This is the Atlas protocol, and you gotta follow them on Twitter, retweet them on Twitter, and mint your first hero and do your first fight on Optimism. Now, let's go and say that we do this over on MetaMask, for example. We go and connect our MetaMask to interact. I will leave you the link straight down below for you to go and do it. And you simply go and do so. Follow them, you open the tab, you can do here, retweet and like this tweet. Very, very simple. You will be redirected to these pages. Follow the Atlas protocol, sorted. Then this one, post, like, sorted. As you see here, come back, verify, mint your first here. And this is a quest that will go and interact with Hyperlane because it is powered by Hyperlane, and as well Optimism, which is great. So it's 2 in 1 here. You will go over here to this platform over on the Atlas protocol. You connect the wallet, as we see over here, over on Optimism, OP, switch network to OP, sign the message. You will be right here, sign the message, okay, confirm, and you are good to go. Let me turn off the music, and we are good to go. So here we can choose different platforms. I will go over on OP, and the quest is mint your first hero and do your first 5 on Optimism. So here we are, as we see here, powered by Hyperlane, which is great. We go here, we try to get our first hero, which is right here, supposedly. We can mint it, and here we go to have some fun. So simply the balance over here on XP, make sure you go and do everything. If we go over to Optimism, I do not believe that I do have tokens over on Optimism. As we see here, I got $1. So in this case, we gotta go and bridge some token. Now, in my opinion, the best bridging is Owelto. So let's go over to Owelto, and I will leave you the Owelto link down below as well for you to go and participate. Or better, Owelto still needs to do an airdrop as well. I didn't want to talk about Owelto today, but they still have an airdrop coming in Q4. So this month, there is their airdrop. They still haven't announced the snapshot. So let's go and do some transaction over here to grab ourselves the airdrop. We'll go and send 0.01, for example, which it is $3. We get points, we save 10 minutes. It is a free transaction. It only costs about 30 to 50 cents to go and do it. And we see here, so we do this and we are good to go. And this is a very, very important step. This, by confirming this, by doing all this transaction, you have the possibility to go and participate both on the Owelto, Optimism, as well as Atlas. So let's do the transaction, and then we will be back to the Atlas protocol. All right, so now we have the funds over once the transaction on Owelto has been settled and everything. You see here, super cheap to go and do it. You get points, you farm points, really farming these points as you see, and then you have all other bridging to mint, Bob, etc. We'll leave you the link down below. Go and complete all of these quests, very, very important. Also check your Taiko airdrop and your Bob Spice airdrop. By the way, you can claim 2 airdrops over on Owelto, so I will leave you the link down below. But now that we do have our funds over here on Optimism, as we see here, 0.001 turned out to be 0.009999, so very, very cheap. So congratulations to them. Go over here on Optimism. We will keep on doing all the quests. We can mint our hero over here, and the minting is a $3.62. Okay, let's go and confirm it. It is basically 0.0001 ETH for this minting over here that we're able to go and do. We do them, and once we've done it, we can mint our first hero and do our first fight over on Optimism. So very, very important. It is a protocol. As we see here, we got attack, and we can go and do our first fight. I believe it is like this. It costs 52 cents. Combat ongoing. Optimism have begin to fight. And this, why am I doing this? Well, we got Optimism, we got Hyperlane, which I'm really, really looking forward to. Hyperlane airdrop seems to be a very, very good one. And I have a guide on the Hyperliquid airdrop. You can go and check it out through the link also on my channel. Make sure to go and do it. I will if you want. Let me know in the comments if you want me to take another video. Here we got the revealing of the optimism hubs began to fight. Sign the following transaction for the results. As you see, 0.00 cent, and you're good to go. So this one is how you complete the quest. Once you've done the quest over here, we just give it the time of day to do all of their action that is needed. You can come back here and verify, connect the wallet that we have confirming, and you verify. And once you've done it, this will say that it has gone. Optimism happy, you have won the fight. You got 12 experience. Great. And as we see here, once it's done this, transaction has been recorded. Make sure to go and claim it. It is very, very important. But by the way, then you can bridge the hero from Optimism, retweet the campaign announcement, and I will leave you the link down below if you wish to go and join. Just give this a little bit of time as well to do everything, because I did do my first fight, and then you can also here, you can bridge it, destination of the chain, which is the other thing. Let's say I'm gonna send it to Arbitrum. You submit this one, and you send from $1.59. You do all of them things. I've done my first fight. I've done my first things, and we are good to go. Continue to the link. Yes, absolutely. And it should be done now. Here it has changed. Why? Because I'm simply over on the Arbitrum protocol, as we see over here. Over on the, why am I in the Ethereum? Okay, well, I'm in the Ethereum protocol, but I'm sending it to the Arbitrum protocol. Following up, we do have to go and claim your movement airdrop possibility eligibility. Now, we are a little bit late in terms of this one has come out tonight and I didn't know, so forgive me for that. You can still claim the airdrop. You can go and check your eligibility. You can still claim all of the airdrop. Very, very important. You will receive them, you know, important issue registration has closed. Extended registration is now available. So simply connect all of your wallets and see whether or not you are eligible for this, yes or no. Here has it done. No, here's on the chain. Perfect. Token sent to outer space. Perfect. So this one is done. Then we can go and do all of this one. We go and get the confirmation. We send it. We're good to go. We connect this one. We connect the Atmos. We got the Petra over here. So let's go and sign up to our wallet over here. Very simply approve, approve, approve the message. Let's go. Connect to a Sui wallet. Do all of these quests, which it is very, very simple to go and do. Once again, we need the password over here. Connect, sign, step-by-step transaction, activity on Twitter. Let's go over to Twitter. Let's authorize the app over on Twitter. It's a little bit of a process, but yet it is free. Like there's nothing to worry about. There's no nothing to do. Then you can also connect the Discord. Simple steps. Connect the Discord over here, and you will be finally able to go and move forward. Everything is connected. You can proceed. Verification to complete. Click over here. Let's see. Please confirm your wallet's account. No change will be allowed once you've submitted. Proceed. Let's see if I'm eligible. Thanks for registering. Stay tuned for the update. I probably don't even know if I'm eligible or not. But okay, fair enough. Gotta do this. Make sure to go and do this. This is my Twitter page. And another airdrop update is for Nodepay. We got 2 more days, as we've seen over here from Enigma, which is a great guy that I do follow over on Twitter. The season 0 and season 1 has ended. I can leave you the link for the season 2, which we're gonna go and happening. The points have been calculated, as you see over here. Make sure you go and connect your email, connect your wallet, confirm your wallet address, and you're good to go to receive the airdrop very, very soon. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.